So in this video, what to know before the show, I want to show you some basics of setting up your wireless mic system and the importance of getting the channels right so that your microphone can speak to the receiver, so you're getting a clear signal into your receiver, and that is then going into your mixing board. So come on over here, I'm going to show you a little bit more about the wireless mic receiver and the microphone and how to set that channel. So in order to get your microphone to speak to your receiver, your wireless microphone to speak to your receiver, they have to be on the same channel. Now that's the first thing to check if you're having any wireless microphone issues, is to check and make sure that they're on the same channel. Now if you see this, we got a little bit of a problem here. We got group number one is fine, but the receiver is on channel 2 and the microphone's on channel 18. So what you want to do is you want to press and hold. The group is fine, it's the channel we want to fix. So now we're on 18 and press till we get to 2. Then press and hold mode again. And so the yellow is your RF signal. So that's how much strength there is between the transmitter and the microphone and how much of that is being picked up by the antennas. But as you can see, because we're getting the red flash there, when we tap that, they're now speaking to each other because they're on the same channel. The same thing will work for your belt pack, for your wireless headset or your lapel mic. It's the same thing. So these are on the correct one now. They're in group number 1, channel number 2. So these will now speak to each other, your headset and microphone. A few other features on some wireless mic systems is that they have a battery read. This will let you know how much battery strength is left. Right now we're at full battery. Oh, we just went down to 2. So what you want to do is you want to monitor your battery life as well. And I'm going to show you in another video the importance of changing your wireless mic batteries. So whether it's your wireless handheld or your belt pack for your wireless headset or your lapel mic, you want to make sure that they're speaking to your transmitter. And that's what to know before the show.